Okay, remember, catching a Pokemon is not about skill, so you can do this.
Good pep talk.
Okay, it has to choose you too, so make it want to be your partner. Yeah.
Hey, Cubone. What's up, buddy? You know, not everyone can pull off wearing the skull of their dead relative, but, you know, you sure can. Okay, he didn't like that. He did not like that. Jack.
Throw it!
Throw the ball.
Like a man.
I did it! Still got it. The light's not green. It still hasn't turned green yet, Jack. That's bad, right? Run! Dad, tell us why! Run! Dad, tell us why, Jack!
I can see that!
I'm not his choice!